Okay, so our Hermes Evelyn comes with Hermes box and ribbon. It comes with the original Hermes receipts, and it comes with 2 disc bags, one for the bag, one for the strap. You wait to see the colour of this Evelyn. Absolutely beautiful colour. This is my kind of colour, really happy, really cheerful. Hermes call it Extreme Rose. It's a very bright shade of pink, and it's in Clemence leather, so you've got that lovely matte feel to it. It's 16, so TPM, très petite model. I'll come back here so you can see what that means in real life. I'm a UK size 8'10", I'm about 5'4", so that's to give you an idea of size-wise. Okay, so condition, it's absolutely pristine, it's excellent. So the exterior is excellent, the interior is excellent, and the hardware is excellent. There is literally no sign of wear at all anywhere. It's in pristine condition. Okay, so I'm going to show you that on the strap. And of course it has the crested closure, and I'll show you that, which is technically the back of the bag, but I think that's what most of us like to use as the front of the bag. So there's your Hermes there. And then inside, one compartment in pink raw suede. Don't know if you can see inside that. So yeah, perfect condition, beautiful bag. With the box, it makes it quite a nice gift, preferably for yourself. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful piece of Hermes. If you haven't yet started your collection, this could be the start of it. There is a link to this. If you go to the comments below, there's a direct link that will take you this on our product page. There's also a link below in the comments where you can follow us on Instagram. There's a link to follow us on Instagram. Also, when you're on the website, if you sign up to our newsletter, we will send you a discount that you can use on your first purchase.